Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another episode with me, Asha, on your favorite YouTube channel, Stock Options and Futures. So next week के कुछ VRS stocks है which can get activated. Let's look at what are these stocks and what are the levels in which you need to enter. So as I always mention, VRS is a cash strategy that we give to our subscribers, जिसमें आपको एक predefined entry level होता है. Normally in VRS stocks, we do not keep a stop loss. जैसे ही 5 to 10% returns मिलता है, we start trailing it. If it's a Nifty stock, we obviously start trailing after about 5% returns. If it's a non-Nifty stock, हम लोग वेट करते हैं फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 8% रिटर्न्स, उसके बाद हम ट्रेल करना शुरू करते हैं. नाउ जिनको स्टॉप लॉस रखना है, यू कैन कीप अ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ मे बी 1 or 2%, एंड देन अगर वो 1-2% से नीचे आता है तो यू कैन एग्जिट एंड री एंटर व्हेन अगेन द प्राइस गेट्स ट्रिगर्ड. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन ट्रेड बेस्ड ऑन द VRS स्ट्रेटजी. जिन्होंने भी VRS स्ट्रेटजी में अर्लियर काम किया है, you know how it works and you know the kind of returns that it has generated. So let's look at some of the stocks that can get active. So the first stock that I have for you is Matchstick. ये Matchstick का weekly chart है. Matchstick is into IT solutions. This is a weekly chart of Matchstick. काफी downtrend obviously हुआ है, and then after that, right now it is taking support in this trend line. Matchstick VRS के हिसाब से will get activated above 1873. So आपको VRS में, as I always say, you have to keep a GTT order, a good till cancel order, and price आपको लगा के रखना है. 1873 above will be your buy, and जैसे ही आपको almost 8%, this is a non-FNO stock, तो 8% returns मिलेगा, तो you will have to start trailing your profits. The next stock that we have for you is Amber. ये भी Amber का weekly chart है. Amber is into AC solutions, right? They provide, they are one of the leading providers who support air conditioning company. So यहाँ पे भी अगर आप देखोगे तो Amber is also एक काफी डाउनट्रेंड के बाद currently यहाँ पे अच्छा खासा सपोर्ट ले रहा है at 1848. Amber का आपका as per VRS, your buy entry will trigger only about 2162. So this is a weekly chart. आपको buy करना है about 2162. So keep a GTT order at about 2162, and जैसे ही 2162 के ऊपर ट्रेड करना शुरू करता है, your GTT order will get triggered, and that's how you trade on Amber. The next stock that we have for you is PayTM. So आप सबको पता है PayTM, our first buy entry got triggered at around 497 rupees, and it went all the way till 730. So almost 40% returns already मिल चुका है PayTM में. Again, it is coming, in our radar for VRS. This time the buy is above 628 rupees. जैसे ही 628 के ऊपर जाएगा, you can buy, and you can trade for 8 to 10% returns in PayTM. The next stock that we have for you is Intellect Design. Now, Intellect Design में एक interesting chart बना है. This is the hourly chart of Intellect Design. So VRS के हिसाब से जो trigger आएगा, that is only above 535 rupees. Intellect is an FNO stock. But इसमें ये 1 hour के chart में, there is a beautiful pattern that has got generated. So जो लोग the FNO के हिसाब से trade करना चाहते हो, you can look for a buy above 465 rupees. The VRS stock will get active only above 535. तो 465 के ऊपर Intellect का आपका buy बनेगा. Now, since you are trading it much before the VRS strategy, आपका stop loss, once it triggers, आप अपना stop loss को around this level रख सकते हो. That is 453. So those of you who want to buy in cash, or those of you who want to take an early entry, or those of you who want to do an FNO in Intellect Design, you can wait for this to trigger above 463. जैसे ही 463 के ऊपर ट्रिगर करेगा, मतलब around 464, you can place your buy order, and but your stop loss will be 453 के नीचे. And those of you who want to do it in cash can then start trailing it. If it comes to 535, and if it sustains above 535, you can wait for another round in Intellect Design. The next stock I have for you is Havels. Havels may be same pattern बना हुआ है. Obviously, the buy is going to be triggered only about 1224 as per VRS. This is a trend line that is created at around 12, which will get active around 12, 17 के ऊपर. But then the immediate resistance will be again 1224. So जैसे ही 1224 के ऊपर Havels trade करना शुरू करेगा, you can buy Havels for a swing trade. So these are the stocks that are there for next week. So hope you all have a profitable trading journey. Take care. Keep booking profits. As I say, this VRS strategy is specifically designed for cash traders, where you can earn close to 5 to 8% returns, and after that you can start trailing your profits. So any FNO stock, trail it for 5% returns. Trail it after 5% returns, and non-FNO stock 8% returns. उसके आगे आपको trail करना बहुत जरूरी है. Some stocks give you very good returns, like for example, PayTM we discussed. PayTM ne almost 40% returns diya tha to people who had entered at the levels that we had mentioned. Again, it is going to get into the next zone of activation. So that's all from me. Take care. Bye. Have a great week.